Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a closer look at the Nike Charge Suede. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Charge Suede shoes, and this pair is the men's UK size 8.5, US 9.5, Europe 43, Brazil 41, 27.5 cm, and this pair is in the black colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by lifting up the box lid, and let's peel back the wrapping or packing paper to reveal the Nike Charge Suede in the triple black colourway. And let's lift out the left shoe first and take a look at its details. I'm just setting the box to the left and giving you a look at the Nike Charge Suede in the black colourway. And let's do a 360 rotation so you have that full initial look of the shoe. And now taking a much closer in look at its details so we can see the complete black colourway or design of the shoe. And it does have a suede upper, that short nap suede. And just rubbing my finger on the suede so you can see how it responds and reacts and gives you some sense of that suede panel in the front of the shoe. And we can see for the front bumper of the outsole there, giving extra durability and longevity to the shoe. Now as we move towards the quarter panel or midfoot area, we can see a black leather Nike swoosh with that leather graining to it. And once again we see for the midfoot panel those same suede details in black. And as we move towards the back with the heel panel, once again in black and in suede, and giving you a much closer in look at the details around the back or heel of the shoe. And now taking a look towards the inner side of the shoe, once again suede panels throughout and that black leather swoosh. Which has a low sheen to it, so a little bit of contrast against the matte suede panels and that low sheen leather Nike swoosh. Now back towards the front, once again, that suede panel again, and just brushing or rubbing my finger along that surface. Now taking a look directly from the front towards the back of the shoe along its length so you can see the details right through. And of course, taking a look at the laces in black as well, and the tongue. So the tongue has a simple Nike swoosh branding in black on the label and on the back, completely blacked out. With the details black on black again. And taking a look around the inside of the shoe, just giving you a look at the materials label or composition sticker for the shoe, which has that suede and leather upper. And in terms of the padding for the tongue, so it does have a thinly padded tongue, soft and very thinly padded. And for the ankle and heel collar, very thinly padded as well, right around, and very short in terms of the depth of the padding or bolstering around the ankle and heel. And as we can see, for the sock liner or insole, it does have a Solarsoft insole with that blue edging or border around it, indicating the Solarsoft branding for the sock liner or insole, and giving you a look at that inner shoe label as well. And the overall lining details as best that we can with the setup that we have. Okay, just tucking the laces back in and actually puffing the shoe up slightly from its flattened package state. And now let's take a look at the bottom or sole of the shoe. You can see the rubber sole in black with that radiating star-like burst or sunburst from the pivot circle. And towards the heel there is the Nike swoosh. I'm just going to drag my finger to give you some sense of the texture and design of this black rubber sole. And just tapping my finger on it as well. Now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the shoe's firmness, stiffness, pliability or softness. Now just straightening and puffing the shoe back in shape. And now let's take a look at the right shoe. So setting the left shoe down and in the background as we bring the shoe box back in frame. And taking out the right shoe of this Nike Charge Suede in the black colorway, and just setting the box back to the left and giving you a look at this right shoe of the Nike Charge Suede. And of course let's do a 360 rotation with this side as well, so you have that full and clear look. Okay, and once again we see the overall triple black or black colorway and the suede upper panels of the shoe and the textured leather for the Nike swooshes on both sides of the shoe. And of course the extra bumper around the front of the shoe. And that blacked out Nike swoosh, tongue tag or tongue label, and completely blacked out on the back. And I'm not even sure if there's actually the usual Nike text on there. And this time around, a clearer look at that Solarsoft insole without the composition sticker on this side. And the inner shoe label. And of course, lastly, the sole of the shoe. So once again, that soft black rubber sole with a foam midsole and Solarsoft sock liner or insole. Now let's take a look and compare together side by side. And from the front to the back. Directly from the back. Top down. And the soles or bottoms of the shoes. So that's Nike Charge Suede. Thanks for watching and happy walking!